Welcome back. So what you're going to do today, we're going to try and trade Nasdaq. Okay. So from my 4 hour, what you can see is that price came way above this high. It's got the buy orders here. That's right. So, but the overall trend for Yankee for me is bullish, but I don't expect it to, run back maybe to this level. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This is that one. So in this case, it's not daily. It's a 4 hour. It's a 4 hour level. Price is not bullish, but I expect it to run that 4 hour level today. However, things could happen, so this is the level we want long term. However, price came all the way down there. See this low, this high initiated this low, right? So from the side we formed this low, this became a dealing range, came back to the premium of that range, then we took out the sell side, right? So this sell side has to be matched up with counterparty orders, which are buy orders, right? So that explains this sell model, to buy model. So what happened is, from this long-term high, came back, took out this failed to take out this long-term high, long-term low. So this became an intermediate term low, right? So this intermediate term low initiated the buys. So this is probably early buys, but it's a 4 hour type of time frame. So early buys in this intermediate term low, and then we form an intermediate term high up here because this high came and rebalanced this other block, right? It's a bearish auto block. Also, there's an I5 value gap there. That was way earlier. And an I5 value gap is a fair value gap that will overlap like that. Actually, that becomes a BPR because it came through it like 3 times. 1, 2, 3, then the top. Then it played its part here, after this high came to rebalance. BPR hold, so you have multiple conferences. In this case, you have an I5 value gap, a mitigation block, and we got this sell model. So higher time frame, the 15-minute time frame concept, this should be our original consolidation. OC, call this original consolidation, accumulation, original consolidation. So it's a sell model to buy model. So from the sell model, and then I'm sure in 2 hours we had a shift into level, probably, hopefully. Yeah, it's the K one. So price initiated the low, that low, initiated it, rebalanced back. Price initiated the low, rebalanced back, then ran it, right? Another form of accumulation from previous week's low. It is a Monday low of the week during London. Price shifts delivery right there. Change state of delivery, right? So this change to delivery for bubbles, but how do you enter? It shifts delivery, yes, closes above, but you can buy here. So now there you have the benefit of time. So price opened the next day, came lower, to optimum entry levels of that dealing range. Sorry. We need that dealing range that there, right? So price came to front of that dealing range, 0.7 and 0.6 level for the buys, so let's couple it to this other block right here, right there. You can put your limit entry right there, or you can watch there lower time frames, right? Right, then we have a big expansion. Remember this buys, I took this buys, participated in this buys. Big expansion here, 1 big fork, 2 big fork, and maybe that's 1, 2, that's awesome. Info buys, and then price goes on and on and on and on. Buy model until we reach, our objective. We took out that original consolidation of this sell model there. So I was caught lacking here after we came here and I was trying to sell this, so he just shorted, took some partials and came back to take me out. But you know, hey, shit happens, right? So as of now, I feel like we're in this stealing range. So that's why there's this Fibonacci of quadrants right here. I don't know if I'm marked correctly. Allow me for a moment. Okay, they're correctly marked. Go back to 2R. So what's happening here right now? Right now we can see so the most recent stealing range is from that high, that's a slow, very slow right here, to that high. That's the most recent dealing range. Change the colors on that. And we can make them purple. This is the most recent dealing range. So you can do it in quadrants, you can do it in, so you know equilibrium is, right? This is where price is trading at right now at the moment. And as you can see, we have a volume imbalance down here. So this is it. So price is probably going to come back, or want to come back to fill this, right? But also, as you can see, we found another dealing. We just found another dealing range. That's an order block. Meaning this is an intermediate term low because this low came to rebalance. So this is a long-term high, intermediate term low. So we need to form an intermediate term high for us to know whether we're going to come back for this intermediate term low. Because generally intermediate term lows have a lot of liquidity sitting below them, right? So order flow, you know, bullish areas are holding, and then we get some breaks here. So it go down to our lower time frames. And you can see what happened is we formed a high, then we formed another high. So this is more like a soup. You know, turtle soup, we call that turtle soup. What does it get me? And what does it get me? Okay, so what's making me want to look for shorts right here? And I said look for shorts is because this is the most recent dealing range that you're in, this dealing range, right? And we're at the premium of that dealing range, right? Plus, if you look at this high, also dealing that they formed here. Sorry. Let's touch this one. There's also this one. See, this is also a range. So, however, in this range also, so this price leg was coming to the optimum trade entry levels or to the premium of this dealing range. So generally, you want it to either come, take out this high, and start dropping, or come, make a failure swing. So for this case, we have a failure swing, and you're running out of time because the shots are already dropping. So what's going to happen is, with the premium of the dealing range, meaning we want to look for shots in premium. Okay, so this is the most recent dealing range, but this is the bigger dealing range, right? Because price is fractal. What happens in the lower time frames dictates what's going to happen. Sorry, what happens on the upper time frames dictates what's going to happen in the lower time frames. So you want to take your ideas from the higher time frames. So according to the higher time frames, we know we want to at least fill back, or rebalance back into this range, at least up until to the equilibrium of the biggest range. This might take a time, might not happen today, all of it today, but the whole point is to be in the side of order flow, right? So according to my judgment, I feel like order flow is for shorts right now. You know, it's almost 8:30, right? So this is more like an original consolidation, right? For a buy model to sell model. And so these shots were confirmed when price shifted in delivery here. For these shots, simulated delivery for shots. So let's try change the, oh, let's use the other one. Let's use this one. Change state of delivery. So in this case, bears, right? Plus, there's an AMD in play. So this is high resistance high, so it's going to turn before we take out this high, right? That's at least my, according to my judgment, this I'm 15 tampering. So price shift is available for bears there. Then you want to slap your fib onto this. Where's the most recent low? That's your recent low. And then you refine it to an OT again, right? Sorry, this is the most recent high, which is long high. Yeah, you anchor it to that. That's an M15. Plus, we took out this relatively cool highs for this buy side, right? And then we have the benefit of this I-fair value gap. Did it hold? Okay, price didn't hold there, but maybe we can use this one. That is also on PD array. So from there to there, it's an I-fair value gap, and then to M5. So when we come to M5, M5 is cleaner, right? You see? Got the buy side and then shifted delivery. Has it shifted delivery yet? Correct, it's shifted delivery. So this is where we want to look for shots. 50 develop repairs, so this is your order block. Right, so we can just get there. We'll have to use 15 now because we lost the trade with gold. Use 15 lots. This is where you want to get into your shots, right? And just like that, you're into shots. That's an order block. I probably should have waited for that adjustment to enter, but anyway, still the same thing. There's no difference. We can put our stop loss above there. We always have to use a stop loss. Always use a stop loss. Always use a stop loss. So it's like $200 on that. Okay. So what happened here is price came down, grab liquidity right there. Call it a liquidity grab. Then fail to close. Meaning this is an intermediate down low, so there's a lot of liquidity down there. So intermediate down low. And then we can do that. Because there's a lot of dough right there. And we want that dough. Right? And there's all these relative equal lows also. There's a total signs that price is engineering liquidity, it's engineering sell orders, right? As it took out the buy orders, it was engineering sell orders that is later going to take. Okay guys, so we came back way later. Let's get rid of this. We came back way later. So as we had discussed earlier, we were shots on MQ. So what happened is we had that bigger time. Yeah, there it is. Just have to unhide it.
You know, Marty and his wife Wendy are upstanding members of the community. They're business owners. They're parents.
So let's go back to the 4-hour game.
You know, they're close friends of Mason. You know, former
So
members of
as
the congregation that were donating money
said
back
earlier,
to the church. They started a
forced him
GoFundMe
to
page where
perish,
Pastor fell on hard times.
you
So
know,
I think we can all agree
as
this is an ideal
it was a
situation
Friday,
for Ezekiel,
all week has been bullish.
fostered by a friendly family who shares Mason's values.
You, Mr. Boss Manager, Mr. Berg?
All week has been bullish.
This is
Then
a
the consolidation,
weird
then
special
the
circumstance.
week,
You see,
Tuesday fairly
I'm
soon,
working my tail off
then it
to
is
try and get my department's priorities back on track, but
Wednesday has all pulled back.
I'm having the hardest time finding foster
They
families
try
that
to
can let me do that.
move on
Foster
to that
families who
final
provide
leg,
the sort of values that can
but we failed.
combat the moral
Right.
decay And it's
So
just a nice
the weekly
experience.
profile was
And
aligned
well,
nice
listen, I'll tell you
for
what, this
PGI profile.
situation has really
PGI profile
awakened
as
in
well.
me and my wife the deep need
Friday
that's out there
pulls
for that
back.
crisis, really. And
You know,
I'm glad to hear that.
to the
Yeah. So let me
week.
broach that subject with my wife,
So as
please.
I
Right after we
discussed earlier,
get the situation
the
underway.
whole-
Broach it with her, and I'll see that this little situation gets resolved right away. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. You'll be receiving calls saying Ezekiel's ready to be picked up in
so
about
they can hear
10
me, that's what
days.
matters. Okay. Anyway,
10 days.
back to it, guys. So
Mr. Gilroy,
earlier, we said we were looking
you
for
know, I
shorts,
think
so
it
this
is
is way
vital
earlier, some
that
hours earlier.
Ezekiel spends as little
Sort of
time
early
as
later.
possible
Okay.
in this system to minimize the exposure to that.
So what
that
happened
behavior
is at that
that
time we
we're
were
talking
looking
about.
for
He's
those
barely been in the
shots.
system 48 hours. Just 48 hours.
Price
too
had
late.
just, you know,
So you're
going
saying
above
you're
Asia's
opening up
high,
custody
we were
of
around here,
Ezekiel.
getting above
Tonight.
London's high. But then
It would be an understatement.
this pullback that we were trying to catch
Request is
never quite really
How
shifted
unusual.
delivery, you know, the downside
understand
right
that.
here.
Yeah, but
So this gave me signals for, you
Mason
know,
Young has lost a
for reversal,
tremendous
meaning
amount in 3
it was a
months.
red
He's
flag.
had his church burned to the ground.
So
His wife has abandoned him, and
our
now his
shots
son
got
Ezekiel.
violated
And
here.
no one, no explanation.
But
And
I don't know whether I can see
we're
the
concerned
execution.
that
I can show you the execution.
that Mason might not be able to handle a loss like this. And so, you know, I'm asking for your help as a fellow man, fellow Christian, to help steady this
Just
man's
some guys, okay?
by placing his son, his only
So
heir,
what happened is,
in a home that he knows
let's
that
start
he
on those
trusts
executions. Start executions.
right
There we
away.
go. What happened is, what we tried to get into those shots, right? And then
Want some
they
tea?
violated us. Okay, these were alibis. We got in, got out,
My
got out.
grandmother believed there was nothing
Yeah.
that couldn't be made better.
I mean, could have gotten out there or here, but you know, getting them all sometimes psychologically we get overwhelmed. So what happened is, those initial shots we were looking for them. We executed them here because, you know, I believe
She warned me, you know, don't let
London's
that
high
be so
should be
stubborn.
somewhere here.
Go back to the water. And be thankful for what we had.
There it is. See? No, this was London's high. So once price took London's high
Yes.
here, I figured maybe
I killed her.
we can get these shots. So we tried to short it here.
Mason. Mason,
Tried
look
to
at
short
that.
it here.
There's a sweetness
It shifted delivery
in
for
surrendering
goods.
right now because it's easy.
I was
Because
a
no
little
one would
scared,
blame
but
you
my
for
stop
it,
loss
because
was
hell, I
above
wouldn't
Asian
blame you
high
for it.
at this time.
But that guilt you're
So
feeling,
price
it's the devil
came back to
tempting
an
you.
entry and they closed.
Because there's a little
Got
boy
into
out
another shot
there.
here. Yeah. So
He
I
needs
closed
you
this one
more
and
than
they
anything
closed
in the
this
world.
one and this one there. And then I
And
tried
that
to
guilt?
short it again,
It does
a
nothing
small
for him.
risk, and then but it stopped me out.
I
And then
said, "What's
inevitably
right?"
it shifted delivery. You know, the 1 minute had some nice scouts here, short,
You came to us.
got out. But I was executing this on the
I knew.
on the second
We
chance.
were believers. I knew.
Yeah.
Hey, you
So
lied.
had some nice shots there, had some more shots and got out. And then
And I still thought I'd change you.
once price shifted delivery here for these pools, I knew it's going to
Still
come
thought I
back
could turn you
deeper,
into something that you weren't.
right? So it's coming back deeper
Maybe it's okay.
into the optimum technical levels of, you know, this price like that is just formed. So what happens is let me put them off now. So what happens is after M15 screen, so price range is high, and then dropped with, you know, with velocity. This is what you want to do, right? So drop with velocity, shift delivery. Shift delivery once it goes below here. So once price closes below here with this candle, the shifting delivery for bears. So you can either get into it here,
Thank you.
you know, just pull up with an entry,
Please, 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 please.
but there's a nice for scalps, right? Back into this. So these are the scalps we took in the second chart with the blue team. But then we knew price was bearish long time, just as we agreed earlier on the 4 hour.
It's
So,
Marty. I got Zeke. They just
We had to position ourselves for shots, right?
Say hello to your
But
dad.
these shots
Say hello to your dad.
this time they
Huh?
happened
Say hello, little guy. Can you smile? Can you smile
during
for
the
your
PM
dad?
session,
There it
right?
is.
It's when price
There it is.
expanded.
There he is.
Meaning
Okay,
the AM session,
bring him here.
which is
Let
consolidated.
me see Wendy.
So there we go. let's get back to upfront into levels.
Okay.
We'll look at the shots. So just click into the shots,
Where's here?
and you can see
Pull around to the side of the house.
And you come on. And you come on.
this is the short scopes on
What
the
do you
second
got?
chart. Then this is the swing. Cut in, close some partials, close some more partials, and then finally close.
There she
Pull the
is.
position at 2 standard deviation
She's a
level.
beauty, ain't she?
Out is where my TP was.
Get to it.
Okay guys, see you in the next one.
Everything I said before was true.